Saraswati Vidyalaya Union High School and Junior College welcomes all the students of Standard 9. I, Mrs. Manisha Chaudhary, will present Intellectual Rubbish, Unit 4.3, Part 2. Let us continue further. The most savage controversies are those about matters as to which there is no good evidence either way. So, whenever you find yourself getting angry about a difference of opinion, be on your guard. You will probably find on examination that your belief is going beyond what the evidence warrants. A good way of ridding yourself of certain kinds of dogmatism is to become aware of opinions held in social circles different from your own. When I was young, I lived much outside my own country, in France, Germany, Italy, and the United States. Now, students, the author wants to explain that the most savage controversies, now savage means ferocious, fierce, okay, and controversies means it is some disagreement or a dispute, are those about matters as to which there is no good evidence either way. So this disagreement comes when there are no clear evidences about the matter. So whenever you find yourself getting angry about a difference of opinion, be on your guard. So the author is telling that whenever such condition is there, okay, whenever you find yourself getting angry because of the difference of opinion, then be on your guard. You protect your own stand. You will probably find on examination, then you will find when you examine properly that your belief, that your trust, your faith is going beyond what the evidence warrants. So what the evidence or what the proof has given the authorization, warrants means authorization, your belief is far beyond that. Now, a good way of ridding yourself means to get rid of something, okay, or to avoid something of certain kinds of dogmatism. Now, dogmatism means insisting on the truth of one's opinion without evidence. So, there is no evidence and you are insisting on that truth is to become aware of opinions. So, you should become aware of others' opinions also, which are held in social circles, means whenever there are people who gather, okay, so you have to find out their opinions also and they are different from your own. Now he is giving further example. When I was young, means when the author was young, he lived much outside his own country, in France, Germany, Italy, and the United States. Let's continue further. I found this very profitable in diminishing the intensity of insular prejudice. If you cannot travel, seek out people with whom you disagree and read a newspaper belonging to a party that is not yours. If the people and the newspaper seem mad, perverse, and wicked, remind yourself that you seem so to them. In this opinion, both parties may be right, but they cannot both be wrong. This reflection should generate a certain caution. Now, further, the author is giving his own example that he himself lived outside his own country in France, Germany, Italy, United States, and he found this very profitable in diminishing, means lessening, making less the intensity of insular prejudice. Now, insular means uninterested, okay, so this became less, the prejudice became less. If you cannot travel, then he said, if you cannot travel, then at least seek out people with whom you disagree. So you should at least find out the people with whom you disagree, means your opinion is different from theirs, and at least read a newspaper belonging to a party that is not yours. So you should read the newspapers of the party which you do not belong, or you do not, means your understanding is not matching with the understanding of that party. Their understandings are different, there is disagreement, but read their newspapers, and then you will find that if the people and the newspapers all they seem mad, okay, if they seem perverse, means stubborn, opposed to and wicked, then remind yourself that you also seem the same to them. You seem so to them, means you also seem same, okay, mad, then stubborn to them and wicked to them. As they seem to you, you also seem the same way to them. In this opinion, both parties may be right, but they cannot both be wrong. Then in such circumstances, both parties, they may be right, but both cannot be wrong at the same time. This reflection should generate a certain caution. So be careful, and they should generate a certain caution. Let us continue further. Becoming aware of foreign customs, however, does not always have a beneficial effect. In the 17th century, when the Manchus conquered China, it was the custom among the Chinese for the women to have small feet, and among the Manchus for the men to wear pigtails. Instead of each dropping their own foolish custom, they each adopted the foolish custom of the other, and the Chinese continued to wear pigtails until they shook off the dominion of the Manchus in the revolution of 1911. Now, he further explains that becoming aware of foreign customs, means foreign traditions, customs, however, does not always have a beneficial effect. So it is not always beneficial, always not giving you some profit. Now he gives an example. In the 17th century, when the Manchus conquered China, okay, China was conquered by the Manchus in 17th century. It was the custom among the Chinese. So there was a custom that the woman should have small feet, and the men, they should wear pigtails. Now these were all foolish customs. Instead of dropping these customs, these beliefs, they each adopted the foolish customs of each other. So they adopted the customs instead of dropping them. Okay, and it was carried on further also until the revolution of 1911, when it shook off the dominion of the Manchus in the revolution of 1911. Now children, till here we will stop. Further we will continue in the next part. Thank you, students.